Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Sweet Kawaii, and I'm just going to take my scissors and open this bad boy up because these envelopes are very sticky closed. Well, I think I'm going to. I don't want to cut the stickers. All right. So this is a monthly subscription box from Sweet Kawaii. You can find them at sweetkawaii.com. I think that her subscription boxes are always open for people to order, so you might check it out. I love her bags and her stickers, and her stickers are vinyl, so that might be different for some people, and you need to use special cards on them. Oh my goodness. So this is Cereal Chiller. Oh my lord. So cute. I get 2 sets from her every month, and this one is, I believe, the itty bitty one. If I could ever get it out of here, I'll be able to tell you. Yes, this is the itty bitty kit. So this one is for March, and it has a wacky holiday for every day of the month, which is too cute. My birthday is March 11th, so it's Johnny Appleseed Day. How about that? Potato Chip Day, Goof Off Day, Corn Dog Day, Chocolate Covered Raisin Day. I mean, it's really kind of silly, but it's fun. And then the colors are green, of course, and it says Happy St. Patty's Day, Start Where You Are. Cute little stickers. Hello March, Let Spring Begin. And look at the little rainbow. And then here's the days of the week with the cute, those are 4-leaf clovers. They're not shamrocks. But then there's the washi. So I think that's really cute. And she gives you enough for the whole month. Now, what I have decided to do is I have been using these, but I think I'm using the big ones, aren't I? I don't even know what I'm doing. What am I doing? Oh, nope, I'm using the big ones. So I can't really even show you that one yet because this one is for, this is the small one. And I get a regular kit as well. And the regular kit is what I'm using in my YouTube planner. So this one I will use in my regular planner, and I will do the monthly in my regular planner, and then I will also use some of these probably in the month of March for my just regular planner that I do every Sunday. And oh, this is like a sticker. It's really funny. Cereal Chiller. I love it. Okay, so there's that. But I do want to show you this planner because someone had asked me to see it with the words in it and like with it being written in. So I used my bigger one for this one. And this is my lion planner that I was actually lucky enough to get asked to do a review. So I got this for free, but I did have a coupon code and I gave some away. So I am using this for YouTube, and I will put my stickers, and this is, like I said, the full sized Erin Condren size stickers. I'm filling out the month, and then this is going to be my YouTube, so I'll put whatever videos I have posting on each particular day. So that's those. And then throughout the week, I'm just writing whatever. So this is actually this week. This was last week, and you can see I didn't do very much. I did get paid on Friday, and I put payday and a day off because I did have the day off. I actually was off. This was New Year's Day, and I picked up Katie at 5 o'clock from the airport. Dennis fixed breakfast. I knit. We had corned beef and cabbage. I did a live vlog. I do need to put on here. Katie found her wedding dress. And we also found reception site. We purchased flowers. and it was honestly one of the best days ever. Just me and my girl. We had a wonderful day. And then, what did we do Saturday and Sunday? Isn't it funny how the time goes and you don't even remember? But those are the kinds of things that I will write in here. And then I've just kind of decorated it just a little bit. You can see, and I don't know when this video is going to be posted, probably not until later in the month, but it will be the same. It's just kind of just a YouTube planner. It's not anything that I'm writing a whole bunch of stuff in. I don't even need to write like the things that I do every day in this planner. That's not really my intention. My intention is more YouTube focused, like things that I can do to help promote YouTube, or things that I can do, video ideas, things like that. So that's all that I have in here. I can write in here, because today is the 6th. Videoed this planner because sub commented that she wanted to see it. So see, those kinds of things I can write in here so that I know that, okay, I did that, or, oh gosh, I was going to do something like that. If someone gives me an idea that I like that maybe I can do, I can put that in here. Doesn't mean I will necessarily. I try to do things that you guys want to see, of course, but other times you kind of got to do if it flows. You know, if somebody asked me to do a camping video, that wouldn't be something that I would be like, okay, yeah, let's do that. Sorry, I'm looking at my knitting. It looks like there's... Oh, I think it's just the light. I'm like, it looks like it's dirty, but I don't think so. So yeah, that's that. I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing, and I got excited because I really thought that this was going to be the month for, or the monthly for this, but obviously it's not. So I will have to wait until I get the next one, because they don't come on the same day. I get this one, and then I'll get my other one, my Erin Condren sized one. So, and that's all fine and good. I just save these until it's time, and then I will use it. And what else was I going to say? Oh, maybe when I get my other one, maybe I can show you an update on this planner. We'll see if I can remember to do that or not, but no promises, but maybe I can do that so you can see. But this is my Sweet Kawaii design, and I think you guys should check it out because it's a lot of fun to get a surprise every month. I think that you can go online and maybe see what they are, but I don't ever do that. I think I've done it once. So I kind of like it being a surprise. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.